Ito naman may gusto akong i-highlight na friendship mo na talaga namang sinubaybayan ng mga kapuso at
Si
mga
Kira ba
kapamilya
to?
natin. Yes!
Ah!
Ang friendship
Oh
ni
my
Josh kay
gosh!
Kira. Grabe.
Nako.
So, kamusta naman yung friendship nyo ni Kira, pare?
Yes!
Parang hindi ako na-brief dito But,
Nagulat ka ba,
Nagulat ako
pare?
dito Hindi, joke lang. My friendship with Kira, very genuine. Meaning ko.
Yes.
She's a very sweet person and parang mas nakilala ko talaga siya while being inside the house. And we got really close inside and yeah.
How close? Charot lang. Charot.
Gana ka-close.
No, but we got close naman.
Yes.
So, ano namang feeling na nung lumabas mo, biglang nakikita mo, ang dami niyong edit sa TikTok, may mga fan page na kayo. Nung, di ba, nung lumabas ka, pare, may mga tarpaulin sila dun sa love team nyo. Tapos parang,
Grabe.
di ba, tinuro stuff. So, kamusta? Kamusta yung feeling na
Nagbablush si
nakita mo
Josh
biglang,
eh.
ala,
Alam mo-
ano pala
Or
kami?
hindi naman.
okay.
Hindi. Paglabas ko as in, syempre I was still in shock Hindi ako makinga and I was like still crying. And then when we went back inside and then we went out again, doon ko na nakita talaga lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin. As soon as I got out, una ko talaga nakita baby photos namin ni Kira. Tapos nakadikit.
Cute!
Tapos nakadikit kami dalawa sa isa't isa. I was like, wait, ako yan Kasi before I didn't really get that amount of support talaga. Kaya nung paglabas ko, I was so surprised to see the love they were giving me and I saw, Team Kish, mga Team
Yeah.
Koshis, mga zombies ko, di ba? I really liked it kasi I didn't expect it
Yeah.
I didn't expect it talaga. So when I got out to see both of our faces on a tarpaulin, I was like, wow. Grabe.
Biglang ganito pala yung epekto sa inyo, guys. Parang ganun.
Tapos siniship pala kami ni Kira. I was like, oh.
You're so giddy.
Ay, kaya nga Grabe, ang taos ng ngiti no?
I think you fancy.
Masungit na lang
Masungit na lang ako.
Masungit na lang tayo.
Pero ngayon na nakalabas na kayo, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Kira about it? About this whole love team?
Oh,
Kayo,
yeah.
have you talked about
No,
it?
we were, kasi syempre the day after nakita kami. Kasi we got a call back para sa wildcard.
Wildcard.
Para sa wildcard. Kaya nakita kami kagad. And then, syempre napag-usapan namin how happy we are na ganun yung support na binibigay sa amin. And nagulat din kami. And nagulat din siya. Nung paglabas niya, parang nata niya daw kami dalawa rin. The same board, I think. The same illustration board na kami dalawa magkadikit. And she was like, well, so surprised. Kasi syempre, hindi na naman namin in-expect yun paglabas. Kaya we were both very surprised and both, looking forward to what's going to happen with this.
Yeah.
Sana naman, magtuloy-tuloy
Kish.
yung mga
For sure.
Kish fans.
Yeah.
And sana may work din kayo together. Ganun.
Ay nga, oo.
Wishing you
Sana, bro.
Wishing you more work,
Supportahan
pare.
natin sila.
Yeah.
Oo, sa inyo dalawa.